The Punch has become the third model from Tata to get a 5-star rating for adult protection and only the second car from India to get a 4-star score for child occupant protection. The car has scored an impressive 16.45 out of a total 17 points for adult safety. This now makes it the highest rated car in all crash tests Global NCAP has conducted under its Safer Cars for India program. The Tata Punch has also scored impressively for child occupant protection with 40.89 of a possible 49 points, giving it a solid 4 stars. The score here was also the best yet for an Indian-made car crash tested by Global NCAP. Alejandro Furas, Secretary General of Global NCAP, has said, "Our test procedures demonstrate Tata's progress in becoming one of the safety leaders in the Indian market with our current protocols. As the protocols evolve, we would encourage Tata to maintain this leadership position." Global NCAP has recommended that Tata examine the possibility of offering the Punch with ESC, side head impact protection and 3-point seatbelts in all seating positions as standard. We have reached out to Tata Motors for both a reaction to the result as well as whether it would be considering offering these features, and so far we have received no comment from Tata Motors. The Punch did well on the adult safety side by offering protection to both front passengers' head, neck, chest and knees. Unlike many larger cars tested of late, the body shell as also the footwell were both rated as stable, capable of withstanding further loading. As for the child safety score, the Punch offered good protection to the head and chest of both child dummies. Dual airbags, ABS or anti-lock brakes and ISOFIX child seat anchors are standard on the Punch. The frontal offset test was conducted at 64 km per hour. As per the Global NCAP protocol, the Punch was also tested separately for side impact protection, and the two tests combined to show such a high rating for the new micro SUV.